All right, my friends, if you're watching this video, you only have 1 day left to get entered in on winning the Evo 9. First link down below. Little sneak peek. Before you guys watch the entire video, check this out. I'm dying to show you. Look at all this. Look at this. That is insane. Enjoy the video, guys. Once again, if you want to win this car, first link down below. And if you don't want the car, which after this beautiful paint job, why wouldn't you? But you can also pick 20 grand cash. Today is paint day for the Evo 8. Now, of course, you can tell we're not painting the shell of the car, but we are painting all of this. JDM rear bumper, OEM Evo 9 front bumper, Evo 9 skirts, Evo 9 front lip, the hood, the fender, the fuel door, and re-clearing the carbon fiber on the wing and the carbon fiber on the mirrors. Now, all of these parts are in primer. So before we head over to the booth, we need to go through and sand this primer down and make all of these parts and pieces 100% perfect. So this fender was cracked right here. So we had it welded, did the body work, and then I primed it. And as you can see, got a little carried away on the primer, went a little thick right here and got a nice run. But that's not a big deal. I would say like 75, 80% of this primer gets sanded off anyway. So what this is guide coat, which shows you where your low spots are, so you can low spots including sand scratches as well. So you apply this and then you pretty much sand until the guide coat is gone, which means all of your sand scratches and low spots will be gone as well. I will be sanding these down with 400 grit, wet with a block. Unfortunately, the fender will need a little bit more primer, as I did burn through all the way to bare metal right there. Can't be having that. Let's move on to the hood, maybe be a little bit more careful. Hopefully we do not burn through and have to reprime anything else, because we are gonna run out of time if that's the case. The shop might be a mess, but hey, my parts are all ready for paint. We're all loaded up. Let's head to the paint booth. Alrighty, boys, we got the parts loaded up in the booth. We have a little bit of masking to do on the hood, and other than that, we are ready to start painting. Next up, we need to get everything cleaned with wax and grease remover, and then it's on to adhesion promoter for the plastics. All the parts are cleaned, the adhesion promoter is applied, and now it is time for our sealer. The blue on this car requires a dark gray sealer. Everything is now in sealer, and we need to go ahead and spray the paint on the diffuser section of the JDM rear bumper. That is gonna go black. Diffuser section is sprayed out. Now I know factory that is supposed to be like a dark gray or like a gray metallic. I did that on the yellow Evo and I think it looks better black. So I sprayed it black for the blue build. Now we mask off what we just painted. The diffuser section from this line in. And it is time for the color. This is the real test. Grab the sun gun or the sunlight and see how it looks. We are on to the final step and the most nerve-wracking step, which is clear. So far, this is projecting to be my best paint job yet. Which of course, when you're spraying in a booth like this, that's heated and everything is controlled, it's a little bit easier to get quality work done. Three coats of clear later, we are all finished up, and man, oh man, everything turned out so beautiful. Look at the hood where we had all of the peeling paint right there. This thing is absolutely just glass. Take a look at our fender. The one blend panel that we did have is cracked right up in here. Color looks perfect throughout. And of course the bumpers, man, I'm super excited to get the bumpers on the car. Here's the rear with the black diffuser section. A little bit of dirt in the diffuser, but not the rest of the bumper, kind of weird. And the re-cleared carbon wing, and of course the re-cleared carbon fiber mirrors. This piece right here, this is gonna be the true test of how good I got this color to match. This is the gas lid, and of course the quarter panel. This bolts to the quarter panel, and we didn't paint the quarter panel. So if we bolt that on and it doesn't match perfectly, I'm gonna be upset, but I do have a solution if it doesn't match perfectly. Which, getting paint to match perfectly on a car that's this old, because color fades over time, is pretty difficult. Half the reason I wanted to spray the entire hood, because there's clear bra on the front, as soon as we pulled the clear bra, you could see a line right down the center of it. So the whole thing did need to be painted. And I'm glad we painted the whole thing because it is beautiful. Now here's the coolest part about painting in a professional booth. You come over here, you go ahead and you click cure, and it's gonna bake it 2 20-minute cycles, let it cool, and our parts will be fully cured. Everything is out of the booth, fully cured up, which is crazy because we did our last coat of clear less than an hour ago. Let's head back to the shop and see how it matches. Now we can do a light test. The back of the fender is OEM paint, OEM color, just re-cleared, and our gas lid is fresh base, fresh color. I don't know, man. To me, that looks pretty close. Let's head back to the shop and bolt this on the car and see how close it is. Everything has safely made it back to the shop. Now do we do the test fit? There is no way I'm going to get all of these parts installed today, but I want to see the color match. This is tricky. I'm nervous. Other than it being way shinier than the quarter panel, that is a really, really good match. Let's do a little test. There. Is it 100%? You're never gonna get it 100%, but that is very, very, very close. As soon as we polish the rest of the car, no one will ever know, besides you guys watching this video. Now let's do the real test. Put some light on it. I don't know about you, man, but in my opinion, in my experience, you're never gonna get a closer butt match than that. If that is that close, the rest of this is gonna be perfect. Well, my friends, that is gonna be a wrap on the day. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All of the parts and pieces are finally painted. Took a while, but I'm glad we took our time and did it right because man, oh man, they turned out perfect.